was the question? Thoughts on menstrual sex?
Never thought about it.
I'm not, and I won't be indulging in such things. Thank you.
Hey everyone, we are here at Herzu, and today we are gonna have fun interactive conversation about periods, and these are my guy friends.
So, hello everyone, my name is Nishit.
Hi everyone, I'm Manas.
Hello, everyone. I'm Anish.
So yeah, let's be real. How much do you guys actually know about periods?
So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say about 8.75.
For me, it will be around 5 on 10.
For me, it would be around 4.
Okay. Well, today we are cracking open the secret. We are talking about something most guys don't discuss: periods, puberty, cramps, PMS, and all the things girls deal with. So let's begin with the icebreakers. What did you think periods were as a kid?
So basically, I thought that's some kind of a disease women deal with,
Okay.
which happens periodically or on a daily basis.
Okay.
Well, I just had an idea that it pains and not much about it. Yeah.
So for me, I'd say that I didn't have a clear idea until I was in 8th. But before that, I knew that there was something going on because,
Okay.
yeah, so I'm like, my family has a doctoral background and I'm very close with my mom. So I knew that there was something going on every once in a month, and
Okay.
that's something that I did not know about and didn't understand. But I got to the clarity of it when I came in 8th standard. So
Okay, nice. So this is the curious question round. Like I'm gonna test your knowledge. I'm gonna ask you some questions, and you have to give your best guesses. Is that fine?
sure.
Sure. So, how do you think pads work?
So pads are, according to me, I mean, what I know, pads are generally absorbent products which are designed to absorb the menstrual blood,
Mm-hmm.
which comes out of the body of a woman. So, and I know that they can change it on a daily basis, so which helps them during their menstrual phases.
Okay.
So I haven't done a dissection of a pad, but I have done that of a diaper because I have a smaller brother, younger sibling. So I do know the basic principle behind how the pads work. So as he said that they have absorbent material inside them, and whatever menstrual blood is there, it is being absorbed by the, I think it's silicon gel inside it, which absorbs the menstrual blood and all the waste that comes out. So,
Yeah.
Uh, well, like as Nishit and Manas said, uh, I mean, that's the same answer for me, but obviously, I got to know something else more, which is good.
So the next question will be, why do female get periods?
So yeah, according to my knowledge, after the egg fertilizes,
Uh-huh.
they don't get the necessary things for them. So after a certain cycle, like out of 28 days, the blood comes, and that's it. That's what I know about it. I was weak in science, so yeah.
Sure.
I'll give a more accurate biological and
please.
scientific answer.
Please. Yeah.
So, periods is just a single term which is associated with the entire menstrual cycle.
Yeah.
So, the entire cycle happens between the span of 28 days. So, periods is the time when the egg which is not fertilized
Yes.
inside the fallopian tube,
Wow.
the shedding, the lining inside the uterus gets shed because the egg is not fertilized. Yeah, so along with the shedded lining, it is shed out with some blood that is and with mucus, and so when that shedding of the lining happens, so that's when the blood flow happens during the periods, and that span is for 3 to 7 days depending, obviously, and that entire cycle is called the menstrual cycle.
Whoa.
Do you want to add something?
You want to add something?
No, I think I'm good. He just said everything on behalf of us.
Yes.
He left nothing to say more.
It was pretty much accurate, and wow. Okay, so do you know what menstrual cup is?
Yes.
Yes. Do you guys know?
I've heard of it.
Okay. What about you?
Yeah, like even I have heard of it.
Okay, so I'll show you. This is a menstrual cup. Okay, you insert this, and Yeah, it just like there are many options. One is like sanitary pad, and this is like the second option. How often do you think girls change their pad in a day if they use pads?
So I don't know the exact
Yeah,
number of
just
times that they change, but
mhm.
I think maybe once or twice a day, because I think it's like for the basic hygiene stuff. I think it's 8 hours.
Okay.
Once every 8 hours, you have to change the
Mhm.
pads.
You guys just guess.
Yeah, once or twice, just like he
Okay.
said.
I think it depends on the. I think it depends on like the person. So like
Like yeah,
each
if they
person
okay.
can have different amount of pads using. So
All are correct. Well, it depends on the flow also. Okay, so according to the flow of the women, they change their pads, and it depends. Like it's usually heavy on the second and the third day of the periods, and they change usually after 5 hours. Next, what do you think PMS actually is, and what does it feel like? Do you know what PMS is?
I do.
Yeah, please.
So PMS stands for premenstrual syndromes,
Sure. Yeah.
and as the name suggests, premenstrual. So before the menstruation begins,
Mhm.
what are the syndromes that might like deduce, that might suggest that the girl or the woman might have her periods coming
Mhm.
in a few days.
Yeah.
So they mostly comprise of mood swings, stomach ache,
Yep.
and cravings.
Yep. You perfect. Were you guys aware of?
Yeah. So the mood swings and the cravings. I'm aware of the during the PMS.
Okay.
So yeah.
I was aware of mood swings and all the things that happen
Hmm.
before periods, but I wasn't aware of the specific term as PMS.
Okay. Mhm.
So
Fair.
I
Yeah.
mean, I got to know that.
How do you think menstrual cup works? This thing.
Uh, I think like you fold it in and then you insert it. I think
Okay.
that's the way. But yeah,
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I did see some videos about how it is used. So it's obviously different from sanitary pads, because you have to change the sanitary pads every 5 to 6 hours.
Mm-hmm.
But for the menstrual cup, you have to. There are different folds first of all. So I think there is a C fold and there is another one, and you like insert it through the vagina,
Yes.
and or whatever the excretion is there, so be it the shedded lining and the blood and this, so it all gets collected within the cup.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't think that there is any particular time frame in between that you have to remove it, so you can just wear it for the entire day, and at the end of the day you can just remove it and dispose whatever there is.
Okay. Do you have any suggestions to add?
Nothing. I mean, he answers everything so perfectly. There's nothing left for me to say.
What are your thoughts on menstrual sex?
Never thought about it.
Have you heard about this term?
Yeah.
You have heard. What about you guys?
No, I mean I haven't heard of
Never?
it. No.
I'm not, and I won't be indulging in such things. Thank you.
We will have a fun rapid fire round. Uh, First one. One word that comes to mind when you hear periods. Fast.
Blood.
Blood.
Cramps.
Cramps.
Pain.
Okay. Nice. Next. Would you rather have cramps for a day or headache for a week?
Cramps for a day.
Uh-huh.
Cramps for a day.
Cramps for a day.
Okay. Next. Pads, tampons, menstrual cups. Rank them in order of what you think is easiest to use.
Pads, tampons, and menstrual cup.
Okay.
Same. Sanitary
Same.
pads, tampons, and menstrual cups.
Okay.
Pads, tampons, and menstrual cups.
Okay. Next. Okay, this is a fun question. Guess the price of a pack of pad.
I guess on 100 to 120.
100 to 120.
It depends on the quantity,
Okay.
but I would say like 70, 80.
Uh-huh.
I think 400.
Okay, you guys are like pretty much as a accurate. Accurate, nahi, like I say. Yeah.
In the ballpark.
Yes. 400, really. So the final moment, if girls can handle it every month, The least guys can do is understand it. Be the guy who gets it, not the guy who avoids it. And periods are normal, period. And thank you so much for coming here, guys.
Thank you for having us for this podcast.
Yeah, okay. That's it. Thank you, guys.